CVNA is brushing off the alleged, or rather the short report from Gotham City, up 4.32%. This is Thursday, the 29th of January 2026. Quite a high beta stock. 2.6 million shares have crossed the tape. Its 50-day average is around 4.29. It's going to be a big day for the stock. Okay, let's see what we have here. The company disputes Gotham City's research short report as inaccurate and misleading, asserting its related party dealings are properly disclosed, while reaffirming plans to release 2025 earnings on the 18th of February. Okay, let's see what we have down here on CVNA. Let's see, short interest 2.59%. Actually trades okay, not so high, this is not really that high, of late. We've been seeing it's still a low float, quite a low. Volumes up, 50-day average is quite low. It doesn't really trade a lot of shares, so relatively low, quite, the figures that trade that's been trading over the last 50 days on the average is quite low as well. I know we've seen lower price, low volumes less than a million, but for a it is, yes, trades at low volumes. Okay, so this is let's get down to its daily chart and see what we have. Okay, underlying trend strongly bullish. Okay, so this happened yesterday. It has been showing it started to contract on Friday. It started to contract on Monday. Yeah, the whole of Monday from, what am I looking at here? It started to contract from Tuesday. So this is printed 2 or 3 days of declines, and now it's trying to claw back all those losses. And the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that it might at least hold the strength up to Wednesday the 4th, but the 40-day moving average may serve as a primary supply line. That it might attempt, it's expected to serve as a primary demand supply line at least for some time to come. So all in all, it's just expected to continue to consolidate around that moving average, at least towards the middle of March. Okay, so projections are currently saying on this daily chart we have another 591.17 downside. Sorry, upper projection 591.17, upper projection 667.69, 714.96. Okay, so let's see what we have on its market grid. The market grid gives us a range of possible prices. It's currently at 425, so this is where it is right now. It's advancing towards 433. Let's see, 433, 445. So let's see whether it has the sort of resistance it has ahead of it. Let's see. It's currently at 424 now. Okay. So I think we have 433 here. I don't think we have no strong resistance, so it may well advance, especially with this we have another one here, 437. So okay, well, it has if it continues to advance, there looks like it's some amount of resistance around between 433 and 437. Yeah, there's some resistance there, and indeed also around 445 and 443. There's some resistance there, but in the interim, it may continue to advance towards. It doesn't mean that that will be the case. It may continue to advance towards 433.14. If it breaches that, and indeed also breaches 445, yeah, it has a strong resistance around there. 445. We have 445 here, and then we have 443 here. We have 443 there, and then, oh my goodness, 448. It has that's where the resistance stacks up. if it gets through all of them, then I think it may well go ahead and begin to retest their previous highs. Yeah. JOBY is of 16.7, down 16.79%. I think the company on let's see now. The company is trying to raise some funds. Okay, JOBY Aviation, after announcing proposed stock and convertible note offerings earlier today, prices upsized $600 million, 0.75% convertible senior notes due 2032 and an upsized 52.9 million share common stock offering at $11.35 per share, lifting the combined deal size above the previously announced $1.01 billion. So that's what's going on. It's down 15.3%. Down 50. Okay, we'll find out. I think people are just flying. It's a flight to safety, given the potential dilution. Yeah, 50-day average is 20 million shares. It has more than doubled that. Quite a high beta stock as well. Let's see. Okay, the online trend is strongly bullish, so the stock has been showing a lot of weakness within a longer term bullish trend. Lower prices are expected to continue to play out up till the 24th of February. Then after that, there's a chance we might see a bounce. Okay, so projections are currently saying 11.75, just a slight upper projection on this daily chart. Let's have a look at it for our chart to see if it has aligned with the uh, market grid. Yes, it has aligned. So let's see what we have. Yeah, it's currently at 11.03. So this is where it is right now. A lot of resistance ahead. 11.09, 11.63, 11.93. Yeah, 11.44. Um, a lot of resistance ahead. Yeah, okay. Yeah, quite a decent amount of resistance ahead. But at the same time, it has a downward trajectory. So at 11.02, it may well test at 10.79, even towards 10.22. But at the same time, it may be providing people the opportunity to buy this dip. Let's have a look and see what the price pressure momentum of its 10-period moving average is going to indicate. These price pressure momentum indicators get their data from the order books. That's why I'm able to tell you that there's buying. People are buying the dip or not. So the stock is now, the momentum it has is a loss of $18 every 4 hours. That's just an indication. It doesn't mean that that will be the case. Just what the implication of this sort of momentum it has. The yeah, selling pressure is yeah, has increased. Selling pressure has increased, and the pace has it has also increased as well. So they're still selling. Some people are buying, but not enough. Not enough impact is as they're not making enough impact yet. Okay, so and this weakness is expected to remain in place up to the close of today's trading session. Yeah. Okay, VTX just recently debuted. Let's see what we have. Post IPO rebound by tiny float. The stock experienced extreme volatility since its NASDAQ debut on Tuesday 27th, swinging from $10 to $93 intraday over the first two sessions amid a limited supply, a limited number of freely tradable shares. After a sharp 56% drop yesterday to around $11, today's 29%. Let's see what we have. Is that what the case is? Let's see VTIX. Hardly any data. Yeah, trading as a spec. Nothing at all visible. Let's go to 1 minute chart. Yeah. Okay, today's 29. Yeah, it's down 52 VTIX. Yeah, down 56.2. Okay, it's down now. Maybe at some point it spiked, you know. What are we looking at here? It's has it been halted? I mean, we're looking at it hasn't. Well, I'm lost here. Yeah, we're looking at a rebound, isn't it? Yeah. Well, it's a mix of things. Let's see what they're saying here. A tiny float, volatile swings, while VTIX is on traders' radar. Yeah, tiny float. Okay, let's see what the float is. Nothing, no details yet. Shares outstanding 26 million. Has emerged, the stock has emerged as one of the most closely watched names in the virtual reality space as of today, after its recent public debut sparked sharp price swings. The company officially began trading on Tuesday. The stock has swung widely, trading as low as $10 and as high as 93 in 2 days. There isn't much data at all. It should have. I mean, even the 1 minute chart is scanty. This is not the stuff of okay. For some reason, it's yeah. It maybe have. They think they have halted it so badly. It hasn't. It's not had a tiny. There has not been enough time to print any data. Yeah, I think that's what's going on. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Just thank you very much for watching this video.